Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this Alfetta GTV you can see lurking behind me here. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of starting and idling action at the beginning of the driving video. Hope you like them. Okay, quick video of start up and idling on this Alfa. Ignition light comes on. They don't have an oil pressure light, they have a gauge instead, but ignition light does come up as it should. So I can reach the ignition switch. Starts neatly and settles down to a nice idle at about 800 RPM. Now we'll show you under the bonnet. Okay, here we're under the bonnet of this Alfetta GTV. Cooling fan is working nicely. We've just been out for a long run, so it's quite warm. So the cooling fan cuts in and out as it should. No funny noises or funny smells, just doing what it should. Let's see if I can lift this over the bonnet. That's the other side. Go and the other side now, and as I say, just doing what it's supposed to do. Next up we have driving. Okay, here we are out in this Alfetta GTV, and I have to say, having just done about 15 miles on it, I really like it. Although I'm a little bit cramped in it at 6'6". I think if you're anything over about 6'3", perhaps isn't the car for you. There we go. Mainly on the headroom side of things. It is a coupe after all. Nice quirky dash on it as always. Speedo's sitting directly in front of me, but rev counter and the all the other gauges are all over there. They all seem to be working nicely. Oil pressure, fuel and temperature, and the rev counter, as we said. It's got a more modern stereo in it, but I haven't actually turned that on. I can never normally find the buttons for them, so if it works, it's a bonus. Out onto the main road. At low speed, you do get a sort of a strange rattle from the dash from just over there, but once you're moving, it goes away. Aside from that, it's actually really rattle free. I have got my driver's window open actually because it is so hot and humid here today. I'd be absolutely sweltering, so I have to apologise for the noise, but it is it's a nice exhaust note on this anyway, so it's worth hearing, shall we say. But it drives really well. Say, and incredibly rattle free as well. 5-speed box, goes up and down the gearbox nicely, no synchro problems or anything. And just gets on with the job. Just a thoroughly pleasant little Italian sports coupe. Showing, I think it's just coming up to 100,000 miles. I think it shows 99,900 miles at the moment. Yeah. So just come up to 100k. We have got photographic record of the restoration, and I'll detail that more in our description on our website. Slow down now as we're coming into the 20 zone. Brakes nicely, not wandering all over the road. As I say, gearbox is nice. So there we have it. It's very nice, really is. If you like quirky Italian 70s cars. I do. Anyway, my name is Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495, or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drome.com.